Siasa za Jamhuri ya Kenya zitazidi kulitaja na kulikumbuka jina lake kama mmoja wa wanasiasa maarufu waliojitosa katika ulingo wa siasa, akiwa na azimio moja, kuweza kupigania haki za Mkenya. Haswa ikija kwa wanasiasa ambao hawakupenda utani, jina lake John Michuki alingekosa. Iliona kuletea kisa na story kuhusiana na maisha yake John Michuki pamoja na kifo chake. John Michuki was a distinguished Kenyan politician who brought in considerable influence on the country's political landscape. Born in Kagema, Murang'a County on May 23, 1932, Michuki had an outstanding career in public service. After finalizing his education, Michuki got into the corporate world before transitioning to politics. He was the enthusiastic member of the Kenya African National Union KANU party and played a critical position in the fight for Kenyans' liberation from British colonialism. Through his political career, Michuki achieved respect and admiration from his associates and the general public for his unwavering devotion and allegiance to the cause. Over the years, Michuki held several ministerial positions in the Kenyan government, demonstrating his versatility and comprehensive proficiency in different areas. As the Minister of Finance, he implemented policies aimed at enabling fiscal discipline and stabilizing the economy of the country. With his administration, Kenya's economy thrived immensely and came to be more stable. Michuki's tenure as the Minister of Transport and Communication under considerable influence on the country's infrastructure growth. He oversaw the construction of roads, bridges, and railway lines, among other things, greatly enhancing transportation and communication throughout the country. Michuki was also known for his non-nonsense approach to governance. He enforced tough measures to prevent crime and maintain security, earning him the name the bulldozer for his resolute effort. In addition to his political accomplishment, Michuki was the philanthropist and a staunch environment conservationist. He acknowledged the importance of preserving Kenyans' distinctive biodiversity for future airports and advocated for various initiatives strived at preserving the country's natural resources and wildlife. Sadly, John Michuki passed away on February 21st, 2012, leaving behind a legacy of truthfulness, devotion, and selfless service to the Kenyan people. One of the many things that Michuki is said to have been involved in is when he ordered the execution of Mungiki gang members while he was a Minister of Interior. Remembering when Michuki held the position, Mungiki had terrorized the country. Mungiki had taken over, but during Michuki's era, he gave an order of shoot to kill for whoever was found to be linked to the Mungiki sect. And this led to the death of over 500 young youth. Until today, it is said that the massacre of the Mungiki people remains to be under the blood of the Mungiki people remains in the hands of the late Honorable John Michuki. When Michuki died, he was 80 years old when he died. Now, a number of people, including acquaintances from the public and business sectors, ambassadors of Michuki's cabinet and colleagues in parliament, attended his burial. Among those attended his burial were Raila Odinga, Musalia Mudavadi, Kalonzo Musyoka, Uhuru Kenyatta, and the late Ole Kaparo. And they were the ones that carried the coffin and laid the champion and the political man, or let me say, the hero in politics, Mr. John Michuki. That's what's up for now. Go ahead and subscribe. This is FM Show KE. And The program on air is none other than the Drums of History. You can call me F. K. Mwenda, and this is FM Show KE.